Welcome to ReadyMax. Today we're going to share with you the proper way to enjoy and benefit from our patented ReadyMax Zip-Outs that provide built-in retractable hearing protection for hard hats, helmets, and bump caps with a noise reduction rating of 27 decibels. ReadyMax Zip-Outs are quickly and easily attached to your hard hat for hearing protection on the job. Always there when needed. Zip-Outs use PermaPlug washable and reusable earplugs with NRR 27 hearing protection. Attaching Zip-Outs is quick and easy. The entire process literally only takes a few seconds. Simply peel the backing off of the Zip-Out strip and then stick the Zip-Out strip to the interior of your hard hat so that the earplugs just barely stick out of the back. Now once your Zip-Out earplugs are attached to your hard hat, they're extremely easy to use. While wearing your hard hat normally, simply pull on the earplugs, which are tethered via a nylon cord, until you have enough slack to comfortably insert the earplugs into your ears. When you are finished, just remove the earplugs from your ears, remove the hard hat, and use the Zip-Out strips built-in zipper to zip the plugs back into place. Thank you for joining us. And to learn more about our ReadyMax products, visit ReadyMax.com.